Welcome to Lesson 2.3 of the GED Reasoning Through Language Arts module. In this lesson, we'll focus exclusively on the core writing skills you'll need to pass the GED RLA test, specifically how to write clearly, correctly, and effectively in short responses and full-length essays. Let's now turn our attention to the writing portion of the GED Reasoning Through Language Arts section. The GED RLA includes writing in two major ways. First, the extended response essay. This is an argumentative essay. Second, short writing questions, where you'll be asked to edit or revise a passage. Both types test your ability to clearly express ideas, follow logical structure, and use standard English conventions. The key takeaway is this: it's not just what you write, but how you present your ideas that truly matters. Now that you know what's expected in the writing section, let's break down how to structure your essay for success. The GED extended response is a timed writing task. You'll be given two short passages with opposing viewpoints and asked to: first, pick a side. Then, support your position. Finally, use evidence from the texts to back up your claim. Here's the basic structure your essay should follow. Introduction. One paragraph. Start with a clear thesis statement. This means stating your position. Briefly mention both sides and explain why your side is stronger. Example thesis. Although both passages address renewable energy, passage 1 provides stronger evidence and logic, making it more convincing. Body paragraphs, 2 to 3 paragraphs. Each body paragraph should focus on one main point. Provide a quote or paraphrased idea from the passage. Explain how it supports your side. Use transitions like, for example, in contrast, or this proves that, to smoothly connect your ideas. Conclusion, 1 paragraph. Restate your argument using different words. Briefly summarize your main points. And most importantly, do not introduce new evidence in your conclusion. Before you start writing, it's important to know how your essay will be scored. Your writing will be judged based on 3 key criteria. Here's what you need to focus on. First, clarity and focus. Avoid vague or off-topic ideas. Keep each paragraph focused on one main point. Use clear topic sentences to guide your reader. Next, organization. Follow a logical structure. Introduction, body, conclusion. Use transitions to connect paragraphs smoothly. And don't jump between ideas without explanation. Finally, evidence and reasoning. Pull facts or quotes directly from the passages provided. Don't just summarize. Explain why the evidence supports your position. Avoid personal opinions or stories. They won't earn you points. Now that we've covered structure and key writing elements, let's zoom in on your sentence-level skills. Strong writing isn't just about organization. It's also about how you write each sentence. Here's what the test evaluates. First, sentence variety. Use a mix of sentence types to keep your writing engaging. Simple. The author supports solar energy. Compound. The author supports solar energy, and she includes data to prove it. Complex. Although both passages present strong points, one is more convincing. Avoid repeating the same sentence pattern too often. Next, word choice. Use precise academic language. Instead of vague words like good, try effective, convincing, or logical. Avoid casual language such as stuff, things, or kinda. Be formal, but still clear and easy to read. Finally, active voice. Whenever possible, choose active voice over passive voice. Active. The author argues that wind energy is efficient. Passive. It is argued by the author that wind energy is efficient. Active voice is clearer, stronger, and easier to follow. As you polish your writing, keep this in mind. Even a strong argument can lose points if it contains basic errors. Let's go over the most common ones and how to fix them. First, run-on sentences. These occur when two complete thoughts are joined without proper punctuation or a conjunction. Wrong. The author supports clean energy, she gives many reasons. Better. The author supports clean energy, and she gives many reasons. Next, sentence fragments. Fragments are incomplete thoughts. To correct them, combine with a main clause or complete the idea. Wrong, because the passage shows strong evidence. Better, the passage is convincing because it shows strong evidence. Then, repetition. Repeating the same point or phrase weakens your writing. Try to expand your ideas or add new examples instead. Finally, off-topic ideas. Make sure every sentence supports your thesis. Avoid bringing in unrelated details, outside knowledge, or personal stories. Now let's take a moment to look at a sample GED writing task. No writing required just yet. This will help you understand exactly what to expect on test day. Prompt summary. You'll read two short passages that argue different views about school uniforms. One says they promote equality, the other says they limit self-expression. Your task is to decide which argument is stronger. Next, use specific evidence from the text to support your choice. Finally, organize your writing clearly from introduction to conclusion. This is exactly what the GED will ask you to do. Pick a side and prove it using evidence and reasoning, not personal opinion. To sum up everything we've covered in this lesson, the GED writing section tests your ability to argue clearly, support your points with textual evidence, and write in formal English. First, always use the standard structure: introduction, body, and conclusion. Next, aim to master sentence variety, a formal tone, and overall clarity in your writing. Then, be sure to avoid common mistakes like run-on sentences, sentence fragments, and vague language. And most importantly, always support your argument with evidence from the passages, not your personal opinion.